I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch.
Hi guys! So today we are going to be doing a slime, as y'all can see. Y'all, slime. I think you already know by looking at this. I can down know what we're doing. We are doing fluffy slime. They're doing it without no plate or no spoon, and I'm doing it with plate and spoon.
No bowl, no spoon challenge.
Yeah. And at the same
We
time,
each got 2 glues, so she gets 1. I get 2. And I get 2.
So we're only gonna use one right now.
I'm only going to use half of one of it because
But
I
that's
don't
what
want
I
to waste it
used
and I want to like it.
And that's it.
Okay, so I did make a little bit. I used black coloring.
So as you already know, you put glue first. So let's do that.
What I'm doing for fun is just adding my foam beads in. So I need
Yeah, we
scissors
don't
for that.
I'm gonna do little by little. Chocolate, go.
Get out!
Chocolate.
No hands in here. No hands in here, dog.
Sorry guys, the dogs can't be in our room. I'm scared.
Just hardcore.
I'm doing it, guys.
What if it gets on the line?
Yours is gonna get on the
Oh
line.
yes, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna do the rest later, but I'm just gonna do this amount.
I'm gonna add all mine.
I'm gonna add Tide in right now because I don't want it to be all over the place.
I'm going to add color. I'm going to be adding 2 colors.
Okay, I'm gonna put some Tide in here so it can be easier for us. Here, y'all
I
go.
know there's more in here.
Ooh, we're using our hands.
I'm not. I'm gonna use a spoon.
I don't know if y'all can see me. Which one's mine?
No, you're supposed to put shaving
this
cream
one's mine.
first.
We forgot. Oh, this one's mine. This one's yours, Karen. Don't forget. Here,
Oh
I'm not shaving cream right
my
now.
god. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's all I'm putting.
This is like my first time I ever
What
did
if we mess
slime
up?
on the table.
What if we mess up?
She's doing it on a bowl because she's scared. Ooh, that looks nice.
Nice.
Ooh. Ooh.
I'm putting way too much. Oh shoot.
Hi, my name is Ariana, and I'm addicted to slime. I'm just kidding. I'm not really. Can you hand me the?
Shaving cream.
Hi, my name is Steven and I'm addicted to ice cream.
I'm the Cookie Monster.
I'm just
slime
cookies right now. This is a whole load.
Slime Monster. There's no such thing as Slime Monster.
Yeah, probably. I put too
Ooh.
much, didn't I? Look at that. That looks like ice cream.
Oh my gosh, that looks good. I don't know why.
I'm just kidding.
Add green too.
Oh, why would you
I
add
put way
2
too
colors?
much on this. I put way too much. It's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit.
Because I think green and blue combine really.
Can you put Tide, Karen? Can you put Tide on mine? A little bit.
It's
just
not.
a
I
little bit,
can't. I can't,
thought-
girls.
okay?
This is
No.
way too small.
Put some. Put
This is
more.
way too big.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay, I need to start adding my
This
glue.
is gonna fall off. I want to do it in the table so
Fine.
bad now.
I'm gonna put the color after I'm done with the slime. Ooh. Ooh.
What if I do this?
Ooh, guys, I'm doing this.
I don't think this is gonna make.
I think using your hands.
Julie, I think you messed your slime.
Don't you think I'm gonna take it off? Like,
You're getting closer to mine.
I'm gonna
What?
take this off.
Oh, I need more Tide.
Who needs this?
Ooh.
We need that.
Because I didn't add any. A little bit.
Here. Just a little
I
bit.
put way too much here. Here.
Okay.
I
Okay.
added 2 colors. 'cause
Okay, don't get any more.
Why not?
Because I have
Do you
enough
need more?
shaving cream.
No.
Use my glue. It's messing up.
Woo! What
Karen,
the
you are
heck?
so messy.
You're getting closer to mine.
Messy.
You're gonna drop that. I think mine is turning out good.
Mine
guys.
is not. It's definitely hard.
Half to done.
Woo! I think I'm.
You give me the
Guys,
Tide?
it's starting to get off of my hand, so
I need to get it off
it's
the
good.
table.
Can you give me some Tide?
Oh, I need to close this.
I did it, guys. I don't know if I can see the slime.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna get my shirt dirty.
Ooh! Julie!
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Okay, I'm
Should
gonna
I
see
put it on the floor?
I think
if you
mine's
guys
done.
can see. Don't move the table too much because it's gonna you won't be able to. Well, you're gonna drop this stuff.
This is
Karen!
good.
It is. Thank y'all.
Mine is ugly. It's just I love the color, but like moving. Okay, I do like the color, but I don't like the texture of the side, so I need to add glue.
There, guys.
What if I miss my map? My hands are getting. I want to stand up. Should I put it on the floor now? I mean, not the floor. I mean.
Table. Yeah, I think you should do it on the table. It's better. On
Oh
doing
shoot!
it.
This is a whole lot of.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna see if they can see it on the camera. Yeah, I think.
Wait,
You
we
need
need
to
to
move
move
this stuff.
everything.
Hi. You're good.
What about mine?
They can see yours perfectly, Karen. You're in the middle.
Come on, girl. You are. I'm so jealous of you. Y'all already done, and I'm not even halfway.
Can I mix it
She's
with
still
my
on the shaving cream part.
Oh.
Oh shoot! You made me. Look at why.
Oh my gosh, Julie.
Mine is so big.
Yes, it is. You added a lot. of
You mix it
shaving
with the
cream.
hands. Wait, can I?
Julie,
have
I think
that.
it's time for you to leave your spoon and use your hands. It's okay. It's gonna take off anyways when you're done with
Yeah, it
this
looks like it's like almost done.
Can I help you?
No.
one. Do your slime, Karen.
It's already done.
Do more if you
so
want.
Really
fluffy.
pretty.
Woo!
I'm gonna do color pink.
I need more Tide.
I just love
Not
this
bad.
color. Comment down below which slime is the best.
I think
bet
mine
mine
is.
Wait, let me feel yours. I haven't feel.
It's like cloud or something. Can y'all hear that?
Dude, let me feel yours. I
It's
haven't
white.
felt
I
yours.
like it. Wait, I'm gonna do something.
You can make it more white. There's white color right here. Cover this pink color.
It's like cloud.
I'm gonna add my black in. I feel like it's gonna ruin it. You want it?
Comment down below which slime y'all like the most.
You want it? You want it? You want it?
I did too.
I'm gonna play. No, I'm gonna use it. I'm still gonna use it.
Let's see. Should I mix it in? It's gonna be ugly.
Comment down below hashtag cookies if you like cookies too.
Hashtag ice cream.
Hashtag team
No.
cookies.
Team cookies.
No.
Team ice cream.
Hashtag team chocolate cake.
Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate cake.
My
Chocolate
God.
anything. Chocolate Hershey's, chocolate Snickers, whatever.
Comment down below what color is your favorite color.
Turquoise. White.
Just put chocolate
Or pink.
and then whatever you would like chocolate Snickers, chocolate cake, chocolate whatever. Chocolate slime. Just do.
There is such thing as chocolate slime. No.
I'm gonna add
Y'all wanna play with this?
more.
Yes. Yes. Oh,
That was too much. Oh my gosh.
I don't like
I
it.
think I messed up.
it's just that yours is like hard and like it doesn't stretch that much.
Don't do that.
Oh my gosh, girls, I think I messed mine up. Okay, never mind.
play with it like this.
Never mind. It's good. You have a lot, Julie, because
I do love this
you had a lot of.
Let me try and
shaving
do
cream.
a swirl.
You're gonna move the table too, girl.
Yes. I don't have it. You wanna play with it?
No thanks. Oh wait. Yeah, I do.
It's like
I do. It's because
I do.
my slime is like a little bit sticky because of the paint I put on. So it might be sticky to you.
I don't wanna play with it.
Why?
I don't wanna play with it.
I thought I was gonna play with yours.
No, but
You scared me. Here.
good thing mine did not mix with anything. I said I didn't want to play with it.
I don't care.
Hide in it.
Stop! You're trying to get some like. Oh, it's sticky.
Oh my god, that's a really pretty color though.
No.
Look at
But
it.
it's still the same. You got more.
She has more.
Oh. I think this one.
I know it feels soft.
It's like white. You wanna feel it?
I'm shaving cream.
I'm gonna poke it. I'm gonna poke this thing.
I call her.
Hear this, guys. Hear this. Hear this.
That's why the bottom of my dick. Watch this.
Comment down below. Let's just say mine is white. Mine is like kind of baby bluish, kind of white. Like bright white. Comment down below. Baby blue. What do you want to call yours? Which one you like the best? Baby blue,
Miss Turquoise.
Miss Torque,
Or teal.
Mine is queen.
or a queen? No, you have to name the color of it.
Pink. Queen.
I
Pink.
don't,
Queen.
I don't want mine to be a color.
Okay, guys. For
But because
my
of the
container, I'm gonna be using this. So I'm gonna make another batch of slime on the table.
So what I have to do is
Put
add
your
my
beads.
foam beads. Yeah. I
I'm
didn't
gonna
want
see
to
this.
forget about it. I need scissors though.
There's no scissors. Do you have scissors?
It's sticky. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it like a dog.
My scissors just like spit all over.
Mine is not sticky, but it's not
I'm gonna use my mouth.
sticky at all. It's a very great color.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Whoa. Don't put it on that. Okay, so I have my own container. Where is it? It's down here. It says Yalissa's container. So you can't see it.
It's red.
I did it with a red Sharpie, but you still can't see it. Let me see if I can see it. Don't not put anything on mine. Can you see that? Yeah. Yalissa's.
Now I have mine.
Oh, so
Can you move your
I have
beads?
My foam beads inside my slime.
Ooh. So weird. You hit me. Okay.
so hot, man. Now it's
I feel like
stretchy.
I want to add this.
Now it's stretchy.
Okay. I got my slime. Okay. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And subscribe. Be sure to subscribe. Comment down below which was your favorite slime.
Be sure to check out our part
Baby
2
Blue,
video.
Queen, or Miss
Teal.
turquoise.
Miss Teal.
Miss Teal.
Okay.
Peace. Bye, guys. Wait, I'm gonna
Make sure you go watch our part 2 after this video.
Bye.
We're gonna be wearing the same clothes.